Hello friends, let's learn the sounds of the alphabet. A. A. A for apple. A. Apple. B. B. For ball. B. Ball. C. For cat. Cat. D. D for dog. Dog. A. B. D. Learn the sounds of your ABCs. Who is next? Wait and see. E. A. A for egg. Egg. F. For fan. Fan. G. G for goat. Goat. H. H for hen. Hen. A. G. Learn the sounds of your ABCs. Who is next? Wait and see. I. E. E for ink. Ink. J. J for jam. Jam. K. K for key. Key. L. L for lion. Lion. E. J. K. Learn the sounds of your ABCs. Who is next? Wait and see. M. For mat. Mat. N. For nose. Nose. O. O for ox. Ox. P. P for pig. Pig. O. P. Learn the sounds of your ABCs. Who is next? Wait and see. Q. Qua for queen. Queen. R. For rat. Rat. S. For six. Six. T. T for tap. tap. Qua, t. Learn the sounds of your ABCs. Who is next? Wait and see. U. A for umbrella. Umbrella. V. V for van. Van. W. For well. Well. X. For box. Box. Y. Yeah. For yellow. Yeah. Yellow. Z. For zoo. Zoo. Yeah. These are the sounds of the ABCs. One more time, say it with me. A. B. K. D. E. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Qua. R. S. T. A. V. W. X. Yeah.